So guys, it's Coogly again with another video, and this time I've got another unboxing, or well, let's just say this is a series where I show you guys the cool new stuff which I bought. Okay, I think that would be better. Anyways, yeah, here it is. I just bought a few things, and I've already told you guys that in my previous video of my Plantronics video, and two new stuff which came up. I'm gonna show you guys one right now. The other one will be another video because I want to capitalize on that as much as I can. So here it is, and this is a big case. I'm not really sure if you understand what this is, but I'll let you guys know, so stay tuned for that. So guys, this time what I have received is preface to everything. I'm not Linus Sebastian from Linus Tech Tips. I don't have the coolest gadgets. I don't have the biggest network interface or network stuff, but I like to improve, right? The current connection which I had here for all the stuff which I do, that is web surfing, online stuff, even the video stuff which I do, uploading and downloading stuff, I had a 2 Mbps connection. That's a small B, so yeah, that wasn't the fastest one. I've just upgraded. I mean, incidentally, the upgrade took place just today. The upgraded package, or I have switched to a very low tire fiber connection, and I'm not really sure if I'll be able to show you guys the fiber connection, but it's somewhere there. I just have fiber connection enabled and everything is working out really well. I've ordered this guy because my previous router failed. I mean, if you have seen the title of the video, you know this is a router. My previous router failed, and what I got was that I had a 300N wireless router, which honestly, I mean, the work which I do, which includes networking between like 5 different computers and all that. My main storage computer is this one, which is the laptop which I was using. You can see there are a lot of hard drives there. There's also 4 more hard drives in the back which I use for my networking stuff. Yes, I know I need to get an NAS. I will get that soon enough when the prices are low enough, but as of now, this is my solution. Anyways, I need fast internet connection, and this is what I got. And here you have it. This is the, wow, this is a big box and it's heavy. This is the NetGear AC1900 dual band Wi-Fi gigabit router with the 600 on the 2.5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, and 1300 on the 5 gigahertz system. It has beamforming. It sadly does not have MU-MIMO, which I actually thought it had. This is the 6800, the R6800, which is the, I guess it's the lower tier than the R7000, which has MU-MIMO. I actually misplaced my order, so I'm stuck with this one, but I'm okay. I don't really need that much because, well, I do have 5 computers and all that, but my workload is not that destructive, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, here it is. I just want to show you guys what all we get with this package. This is again part of the Amazon stuff. I mean, okay, the package is not sealed because package seems to be not sealed. It is open. Let's just see what all stuff is here. So you can see here is the short description. Extremely fast Wi-Fi, okay, gigabit Wi-Fi, gigabit wired Wi-Fi, okay, ease of use is installation, ultimate range, reliable connection, dual band Wi-Fi antenna, which is pretty nice to have, beamforming plus, which I'm pretty sure is just a beamforming technology, airtime fairness, okay, DLNA, one surface, okay, it has a USB 3.0 connection and a USB 2.0 connection, which, I mean, my previous router had 2 USB 3.0 connection, which was working very well. I'm not really sure if this is the best one which I can use, but hey, it is still there. Redishare printer, Redishare vault, all of that security stuff is available, and you can also get the NetGenie app for configuration, which is pretty cool. I've actually heard about that, and I've heard that it is very useful. So let's open it up and see what all we get in the goodie bag. So here it is. Okay, here is a smart Wi-Fi router quick start guide. So as I've already told you guys, this is the 6800, not the top of the line, or even the better 7000 rating. There's also 7000, there's 6900, there's a lot of one. This is 6800. I'm okay with that. I can live with that. So that is for now. Wow, it's a big router. As you can see, it is, wow, it's almost quarter, I mean 3/4 of my laptop even. So here is a router. I'm not really sure if I should show you guys my Wi-Fi pin, but I will be changing, so it shouldn't really matter. Router login is available, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, wow, here is the power brick, which is huge. I'm pretty sure you can remove this and change it according to your area, which is pretty nice to have. This is a universal connection. Here is a network cable. Not sure which standard this is using. It's probably gonna be a Cat 5e. It's a Cat 5e cable, which I've seen doesn't really work for my case. I have actually ordered a Cat 6 and a Cat 7 cable, which is an overkill. But still, Cat 6 cable is what I need. I have ordered a few Cat 6 cable, which should be coming here soon. Why is this bag torn and opened up already? I don't like it, okay? I don't like that. Anyways, here are the 3 antennas which comes. It comes with 3 external antennas rather than internal one, which I mean, I'm okay. Okay, so there's something missing here. Or is it just here? Okay, I think it's gonna be same thing. Nothing missing, I hope there's nothing missing, because I would be pissed if there is something missing. So there you have it. That is the networking stuff. You don't get much, right? You don't really get much. I mean, this is a router, and this is not a modem router. So if you are someone who has a BSNL connection, ADSL connection, it doesn't have an ADSL port, which you must understand the difference between the both of them. So yeah, there is no ADSL port. There is only a WAN port, a USB 2.0 port, on-off switch. There is the coaxial thing. There is the antenna plug-in thingamajig, and a LAN port for 4 connections. So you have that, and that is pretty much it. Okay, it is glossy, but it is textured. So I'm gonna guess that it's not gonna be a fingerprint magnet. So that's pretty cool, because this is in pictures it shows that it's a very, very glossy finish. So I'm actually glad that this is not that glossy. I mean, it is glossy, but it is a textured one, so fingerprints shouldn't be much of an issue. It has one of the 3.0 port here, which is cool, but I mean, if you are gonna have this thing on the table, I mean, I cannot put it behind the curtain because this is a huge router. I'll probably have to, like, yeah, I might just wall mount it, because it does have a wall mount option, so I might just do that. Well, there are a few things which I need to learn about this before I actually try and use this. But anyways, that is how it is. That's just what I wanted to let you guys know. Here is the new router. I will not be doing any reviews for it because I don't have much experience with that. But I will try, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Yeah, I will try and get you guys some answers for these, because I mean, that is how it is. So yeah, hopefully any questions you have is in my realm, and I can probably help you guys out with that. So guys, I guess that much is it about the video then. I will be struggling to get this thing on and working, so so let me have my prayers, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.